Hey y'all, welcome back to It Ain't Cheap, I'm not buying it. I know y'all probably already know what this video is about. Yes, I got my DIY Maracas, I got my Sombrero, and I have my CINCO de MAYO scarf. But anyway, I am inviting you to an open invite for CINCO de MAYO. So let's get into the rules. So you are going to name your tablescape CINCO de MAYO Tablescape 2020. And I'm reading off my words here. The hashtag Who Sunk the Mayo Tablescape 20. I thought that was a little bit fun. As usual, the time will be 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next, you're going to mention my channel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And my co-host for this table escape open invite is the lovely Erica from The Love is the Main Key. So make sure you include her when you are doing your video for the CINCO de MAYO Tablescape 20. Next, the colors for the CINCO de MAYO will be all the festivity, all the Fiesta colors. Google if you have never done a CINCO de MAYO tablescape. You may not know what CINCO de MAYO consists of in the background history of CINCO de MAYO, but they have all the lovely colors, very bright, vibrant and bright, beautiful colors. So you can use one color, two colors, three colors, 4 colors. You can use any color that you want for your tablescape. Items to include in your tablescape, if at all possible, is maracas and a sombrero. Now, these are a DIY maracas that I made because I was not able to order anything to get it, shipped here before the video has aired. So get creative, start working on some DIY projects and make your own, since we can't get out and we are sheltered at home. You can print pictures if you don't have any DIY supplies. If you have a printer, magazines or whatever, just use some sorts of pictures or a DIY in your tablescape. Don't stress. If you don't have it, use what you have. Next, for the food and the drink, it's anything you would like to include on your table. For instance, I have like this Arizona nachos and cheese dips. Of course, this will be eaten up before the tablescape, but that just gives you roughly an idea of what you may want to include on your tables. And of course, what would be a CINCO de MAYO tablescape without a fabulous margarita? So you may want to include one or the other or both. It's entirely up to you. Okay, and as you know, the actual celebration for CINCO de MAYO is always May the 5th. So we have a little twist this time with a tablescape. We are not uploading on a Saturday. It will be the actual day of CINCO de MAYO, which is May the 5th, 2020 at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to have some fun, some more fun, and some more fun, because we got to laugh during these trying times right now, and I want y'all to get creative. Get creative. I'm going to have y'all thinking out the box for this tablescape, okay? Next, Reminder, all important information pertaining to this open invite will always be down in the description box below. The playlist also is available, but do not upload your video until May the 5th at 7 a.m. You can put it over there, but just, schedule it for May the 5th at 7 a.m. Please make sure to follow the rules, stick within the rule guidelines. Everybody is welcome, and I want to see y'all festive. CINCO de MAYO Tablescape. And I got a little surprise for you at the end of the video. My grandson, which CINCO de MAYO is a part of his heritage. I have a picture to show y'all. So anyway, y'all stay blessed. Love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Oh, and a reminder, if you plan on participating, put down in the comments section, Mayo. That way I know to be looking for your video, just in case it does not slide over to our fabulous playlist for May the 5th at 7 a.m. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.